Friends, this is Gopal, Head of the Department of Humanities and Science. In this video, we have to discuss transforms of elementary functions. So in last video, we have to see some of the transforms of the elementary functions and the problems based on that particular formulas. And similarly, in this video, we have to discuss problems based on this elementary function, this elementary transform. Laplace transform of sin at, this is equal to a by s square plus a square. This is the transform of elementary function. Now we have to find Laplace transform of f of t equal to sin at. Here the given function is in terms of sine. So therefore we have to find out Laplace transform of the given function by using this formula. By the definition of Laplace transform, Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin 3t equal to, in left hand side, so this sin 3t compared into left hand side of the standard formula. So where a equal to 3. So therefore we have to substitute a equal to 3 in left hand side. So therefore 3 by s square plus 3 square. This is equal to, so this is a and this is a. In right hand side, first we identify what is a, what is the value of a, where a equal to 3. In right hand side, a is replaced by 3. So this is equal to 3 by s square plus 3 square equal to 9. So this is the Laplace transform of sin 3t equal to 3 by s square plus 9. Similarly, we have to see one more example. Find Laplace transform of sin 9t. Yes, we know that the definition of the Laplace transform. What is the definition here? By the definition of Laplace transform of sin at equal to, or we know that definition of the Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin 9t. Now compare left hand side functions. What is a here? A equal to 9. The given formula, a is replaced by 9. So therefore 9 by s square plus 9 square. So now this is the comparison where a equal to 9. In right hand side, this a is replaced by 9. This is 9 and this is 9. This is equal to 9 by s square plus 81. This is the process of finding Laplace transform of sin 9t. We will see one more example. Find Laplace transform of sin 3 by 2 into t. We have to write the directly Laplace transform of sin 3 by 2t. This is equal to, what is a here? A equal to 3 by 2. So therefore this numerator is 3 by 2, s square plus 3 by 2 whole square, and this is equal to 3 by 2 by s square plus 9 by 4. This is the process of finding Laplace transform of the given function. Function is cos at. Laplace transform of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. Now this is the standard Laplace transform of cos at. So by based on this property or this formula, we have to find the solution or Laplace transforms of some of the functions. Find Laplace transform of cos 2t. So this is the question. Now solution. Now since Laplace transform of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. This is the standard transform of elementary function cos at. So therefore Laplace transform of cos 2t equal to, left hand side we compare a value. What is a? A equal to 2. In right hand side this a is replaced by 2. So therefore we getting the required Laplace transform of cos 2t. What is a here? A equal to 2. This s is parameter, we written this is as it is. In denominator s is parameter, we written as it is. But a, what is a value? A equal to 2. We replace a equal to 2. So therefore this is equal to s by s square plus 4. This is the Laplace transform of the given function cos 2t. We'll see in one more example. Find Laplace transform of cos 3t. Now this is the question. Solution. Now since Laplace transform of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square is the standard definition. Therefore Laplace transform of cos 3t, this is equal to, now again compare left hand side cos 80 where a equal to 3. In right hand side this a is replaced by 3. So this is a value and this is a value, a equal to 3. So therefore this is equal to s by s square plus 9. This is the process of finding Laplace transform of cos 3t or cos 4t, cos 5t and so on. So this is the process of finding Laplace transforms of the elementary functions. So this is the next elementary function, sin h at. Laplace transform of sin h at equal to a by s square minus a square. We will see one of the problem based on this one. Find Laplace transform of sin h 4t. Okay, this is the question. Now solution. Since Laplace transform of sin h at equal to a by s square minus a square. So therefore Laplace transform of sin h 4t. Now compare left hand side functions. This is sin h at, this is sin h 4t. So therefore a equal to 4. In right hand side we have to substitute a equal to 4 and this is equal to 4 by s square minus 4 square. This is equal to 4 by s square minus 16. So this is the Laplace transform of sin h 4t. And similarly we have the one more elementary function that is cos h at. Laplace transform of cos h at equal to s by s square minus a square. This is the standard transform of elementary function cos h at. We will see one of the example based on this function. So question is find Laplace transform of cos h 5t. Solution. Now since Laplace transform of cos h at equal to s by s square minus a square. Therefore, Laplace transform of cos h phi t equal to. Now compare left hand side cos functions. So this is cos h at, this is cos h phi t. So what is a here? A value phi. In this formula, phi a is replaced by phi. So therefore, s by s square minus phi square, s by s square minus 25. This is the Laplace transform of cos h phi t.